Yes, sir. We had to do it again, man. Last video because dissing everyone. That was hot during that time. Right now it's been Xhosa, freestyle. So in the morning, we both know that he did not go to sway. I mean, he took his creativity and put it into a test. I love it for him, man. I think, yo, where is he now? I saw on TikTok that he was going, hey, Casper needs to jump on this, Casper needs to jump on this, and Casper responded to him to say, if I jump on this, people will say blah blah blah. Casper must should have just said no, bro. I think he should have just said no. Since when did Casper listen to what people say? He'll do whatever he wants. I think he didn't want to, and he distanced himself. He did not feel the song enough, probably. But if he felt the song hard enough, I'm definitely sure he's was gonna do it. So let's go back to because this one we're gonna rate because it's probably a freestyle, even though it's written, but you know what I mean. So let's go.
Let me get busy, I can't be over, it's not that easy. I'm not a quickie, believe it or not, this ain't no replays. It's getting risky, my pop.
Oh, 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 this is risky. Ah.
I'm not a quickie, believe it or not, this ain't no replays. It's
Oh, please believe it or not. I mean, he's got bars. For me, he can rap. That's a given. Does he have what it takes? You don't know.
getting risky, my pops is itchy, I want a mealy. Industry's fishy,
Once they say your hand is itchy, yangena le mali, yangena le mali.
ain't no replays. It's getting risky, my pops is itchy, I want a mealy. Industry's fishy, I want my chips and I'm fucking dipping. She pussy stingy.
Industry's fish. I want my chips and I'm dipping. Come on now. Come on now.
I want a mealy, industry's fishy. I want my chips and I'm fucking dipping. She pussy stingy, her name is Meanie, but not the meanie. She don't take my money, she got me feeling like Uncle Vinny. She can't.
Remember when Uncle Vinny was throwing cash and the count was looking at it? That was referencing that to say. Don't- Ah, yeah, I don't have anything to say with Mini Lamini, but nothing. Ne? Next.
It's meanie, but not the meanie. She don't take my money, she got me feeling like Uncle Vinny. She kinda pissed me, I gave her hick and she gotta miss me. These rappers dizzy, they soft like titties, it's such a pity. Forget about me, you boys can touch me. I got explosives like kamikaze, but I'm not crashing. I'm in the air.
Oh, oh man. Eminem released Kamikaze, crashing on every nigga.
You boys can touch me. I got explosives like kamikaze, but I'm not crashing. I'm in the alley, I fight like Ali, kick like karate, flashing like paparazzi. I want a Maserati. They say I blew it, they stupid nigga, I can't be losing. $10 deal, they gotta chill, and I kept it moving. I keep it moving, I've been improving, I keep it moving. You can't remove me, you cannot cast me, this is my movie. Fuck all that big.
You cannot cast me. This is my movie. It's your own life. They cannot cast you for being you, bro.
Shit, this time you gotta chill and I kept it moving. I keep it moving, I've been improving, I keep it moving. You can't remove me, you cannot cast me, this is my movie. Fuck all that big pussy shit, this time I gotta focus. I'm not no clown, I'm hurt inside and I feel like Joker. Popular low now.
Man, man. You know when rappers start rapping and be vulnerable, I'm like, that's what I'm talking about. And it feels like joke. Sometimes you just will have to wear, your facade and appear strong when you're weak, man. And I think maybe it's because of the response he got that time he came out with, you know, Sonani Nonke as a rappers. But man,
Gotta focus, I'm not no clown, I'm hurt inside and I feel like Joker. Popular loner, I move alone and I'm antisocial. I can't be over, I can't be over, I got Jehovah. Give me my drugs as I'm breaking down, no, I can't be sober. My heart got cold as I wait for my wrist to catch pneumonia. Can trust nobody, my parents.
ooh, 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 it's getting colder, man. It's getting pneumonia. If you don't understand it, you don't.
Sober. My heart got cold as I wait for my wrist to catch pneumonia. Can trust nobody, my paranoia just gotten stronger. So I move with God, the hand of God, I'm like Maradona.
Mm.
Don't give a shit, man, fuck around and do on my piano. I paint
Mm.
my picture the way I want to, I feel like Pablo. I distribute it the way I want to, I feel like Pablo. I want the Mandelas and Benjamins, call me Benny Blanco. Obrigado.
I mean, honestly speaking, because I deserve to be around. On a serious note, as hip hop, nah, it deserves to be around.
I paint my picture the way I want to, I feel like Pablo. I distribute it the way I want to, I feel like Pablo.
I paint the picture the way I want to. I feel like Pablo. I distribute it anyway I want to. I feel like Pablo. Man, you man.
The Mandelas and Benjamins call me Benny Blanco. Obrigado, my bitch like Lotto, she hard like Lotto. Skills I acquire, I'm like a choir, I speak the fire.
Yeah, man. So you acting like. But I need to give it to him. He plays the video very well, bro. Probably so he saw this too and he was like, yeah, damn it.
We got a hyena up in
We
here.
got a hyena. Shit, man. Is it over?
Who's the site called allmylove.com?
I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. Okay. Hmm. Honestly speaking, I think the strongest person I ever got given a 8.5. I think it was Gigi Lamaine. Man, Gigi was something else, and she got me excited to listen to rap. Bit Closer came back and tried to enlighten that fire. So I'll give him a 7.9. Okay, let's give him a okay, but 7.8 maybe. 7.8. Not the full 8, but a very, very strong 7. He had bars, creativity. Um, he we had the Pablo bars. We had the fish chips deep bars. Uh, I mean, we had some bars. I mean, you cannot be mad. Cannot be mad. The beat was fire. He chose the correct beat for his own voice. He created the hype for himself. Stoggy T edited the his platform. I mean, if no one can give you a platform, might as well take it, nigga. So I'm giving him a solid 7.8. Well done. I don't know where he is now. I wish he can just tap into this because, after coming in, he gave us this, and then, I know he did some couple of tracks. I hope he can come back, man. I love some big closer, man. Catch you on the next video.